G'day, Ben here from Solar and Sat, and today we had a customer that just wanted his fridge to never turn off and his beers to never go hot, so we've installed a compact power system to suit. Starting over here, we've got the Shervey black on black narrow 130 watt panel, just to tie in with the colour scheme obviously, and the narrow is just to keep it away from the side of this to prevent any shading that could occur. Coming around to here, we've got the 100 amp E-Lite Enerdrive lithium battery, mounted on the outside as to once again not cut into any space that he wants to use on the inside of this setup here. Popping the top now, and swinging this back bit open, we've got the chargers we mounted on the inside as well as our monitoring system. So over here we got the Enerdrive 40 plus DT to DC charger and solar regulator. So that lets the 130 watt panel charge the battery from solar, and it allows power from your alternator to come in from your tow vehicle. Then we've got the Victron 30 amp charger over here. So when you're plugged into whether it's a caravan park or just your shed at home when it's not being used, it allows it to charge that way. Then coming down here, we've got the Victron Smart Shunt. So this is our monitoring system. It's all worked through your phone via Bluetooth, and it lets you see what your percentage left is in the battery, what power is going in, what power is going out, how long you got to your flat, all that sort of information. And then we've tucked it all in this corner here, so it lines up with that swing out there, just to keep this as compact as possible as the customer wanted it.